Hello friends, Abhishek. Welcome you on my YouTube channel, The Options Desk. So this is a Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis video. तो आज हम जानेंगे कि निफ्टी एंड बैंक निफ्टी के जो कल के जो फ्राइडे के लेवल्स हैं वो क्या हो सकते हैं, किस हिसाब से बैंक निफ्टी और निफ्टी मूव कर सकती है. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. सो एज यू कैन सी दिस इज द निफ्टी. जस्ट अ मोमेंट. This is Nifty. So as you can see, the closing was 9313. That is of today. That is of Thursday, and today was the expiry of Nifty and Bank Nifty options. That is 23rd of April 2020. Expiry was there. So now let's go into the most lowest time frame first. That is the 1 hour, which we analyze for the intraday. So as you can see, this is the still the channel that is followed by Nifty. As you can see, I will draw the channel for you. Just a moment. Here. So this is the channel followed for Nifty here. As you can see, this is the currently channel which is Nifty is being falling for a couple of days. As you can see, since it established a new low, that is on 24th of March. Okay, so as you can see, the Nifty is trying to reach the upper bound of the channel, and it can definitely hit the level of 9400, which is also the Fibonacci level of 38.2% of this growing trend. So above this level, it can definitely hit the level of 10,000, which is also the 50% level of the Fibonacci retracement tool. So this is the level. I will already upload the charts for the Nifty and Bank Nifty and other stocks in my trading view after the video has been completed, and you're watching this video by the time the charts would have been uploaded. So now let's see. As you can see, this is the upper level, and it went on the upper trend only, and it didn't come down in the whole day. As you can see, the Nifty has been moving in a very tight range, and above this breakout, that is 9405, we can definitely see the level of 9600 or 9800. So let's mark a zone here. As you can see, this would be my upper breakout for the other levels, and my first target would be go as 9492, that is 90 points clear cut. And on the other hand, we can face a resistance at this level, that is 9656. So this is the upper zone which I am expecting, as the volatility has been reduced in a couple of days. So this is the maximum level I am expecting the Nifty 50 can go. For the most important, the highest resistance is at 10,000, we already know, so that is understood. So now going on the lower side I would only sell below if the Nifty 50 crosses at this level. Just a moment. Here, only Nifty 50 crosses at 180 below, then only I would go in for a sell, and I can expect the levels of sell to be around like 90,058 or 90,060. I will also give a throw a light on the option chain later, where you can understand that where is the maximum support or where is the maximum resistance. So as you can see, this is the level in which the Nifty 50 can find the support, and the maximum support is as firstly 9,000. Just a moment. Oops, sorry. Nifty 50. So this is the lowest point of support which you can find as, that is 8923. So this is the Nifty 50 cent support, and if we can test this range, but we should not stay here because the momentum is still upside. So momentum is currently sideways to bullish trend in the Nifty 50, and we can expect the levels of 9600 in the coming future. So this was the Nifty 50 only analysis through the charts. What we can see through the chart, we would also get a good confirmation. I was doing it previously, and I get a good confirmation at the 4-hourly chart. As you can see, the 4-hourly chart, there's a very strong support as 8923 level, that is at this particular level, and then on the upper hand, the resistance at this level. As you can see, also the trend line resistance. Okay, and on the other hand, we can face a good resistance at 96,050. Okay, 9,655. So this was the, now let's go to the option chain. So this is the, as you can see, the Nifty option chain, and I have already shifted the option chain to the 30th of April expiry. Nifty closed today on 9313. So now let's see where do we have major support and resistance. So firstly 9313, so we are at 9300 in the ITM. So now let's see. Just a moment. Yeah, so okay, just remove it. So yeah, let's go. So as you can see, we have closed somewhere here, so we are ITM and at around these two strike prices. So firstly, the biggest OI that I am finding is at 9500, so this level should act as good resistance for the upcoming movement in Nifty. And now going on the higher end, yeah, the next maximum OI is that for the closest range, the maximum OI is at, if we compare these 5 strike prices, the maximum OI is at 9500, that is of 17 lakh. And then we have maximum OI of 10,000, that at 10,000, that is of 18,85,000 rupees. So that is the maximum OI which is standing. So these are the maximum two resistances that we should face in the upcoming Nifty 50 movement. A 9800 level can also act as good resistance, as that was option chain says. So now let's going to the, as we are already ITM, let me mark the ITM levels. first. So we are at the ITM at this particular level. So what is an important support? I have already told the important support is at 9,000 rupees, because that is there's a maximum OI which is standing at around 40 lakh rupees, or sorry, 33 lakh rupees, 93,000, 33 lakh 96,450 maximum OI at this level, and then the maximum OI is at 8,500 level, that is at 20 lakh 57,000. So these are the two levels in which the the Nifty should find a support if it starts to moving downwards. On the other hand, as you can see, there has been that we should find a put writing somewhere so that we can get a clear view. Like there has been a change in the Y at this particular point, and also the number of the third contracts have been increased, so we can definitely go up on 9,400. As that what I am expecting in the coming future. And the call writing as change in the Y, the call writing has been significantly increased at 9,800 levels, so we can expect a move. An upside move is still expected in Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty. So now let's directly go to the Bank Nifty chart. Just a moment. As you can see, this is the Bank Nifty chart. This is a daily Bank Nifty chart. I have already plotted the Fibonacci level of support and resistances. So this is the 38.2%, which is currently at 20,500, which I have been saying for a couple of past days. So now let's see till which Bank Nifty can go. So as you already know, Bank Nifty closed at 20,267 today. So now let's directly move to a small hourly frame, that is 1 hour chart. Just a moment. So yeah, so Bank Nifty was all today following Nifty after it gave a sharp decline yesterday. It followed the Nifty and it did close above 23.6% of the level. So on the upper breakout, I would be taking the level of this only in the Bank Nifty. So on the high breakout of today, we can definitely hit the levels of 23,000 something, or sorry, 21,000 levels, and on the higher side we can definitely hit the 22,500. So what is the first I'm thinking the first breakout levels would be this for the Nifty 50, and on other hand we can go to the 20,800 levels. If we cross this level, the next level is definitely waiting for us is 21,400. So this is the level. So these are the levels that I have marked for Bank Nifty. As Bank Nifty is too much volatile, I request everyone to keep your position size small and always use a stop loss. A stop loss is very important, and is try to book small profits and fast profits, because whenever the options gives a breakout, it automatically heads to a higher level. So this is the 1 hour chart. As you can see, this is the final resistance that I am expecting, 21,416. Why? Because this is also support zone at this particular candlestick, and also the highest zone at the reversal zone of the trend line in the previous past. So this is the level that I'm expecting in Bank Nifty. So for selling, I would definitely go when it breaks this particular level, that is 19,896. I can go into selling at definitely level, and then for the lower break levels, I am expecting the Bank Nifty to touch till the level of this, that is 90,530. So that is or approximately around 360 points in Bank Nifty. So that is and now the finally major support, which is at 19,000, still stays at the 19,000. So Bank Nifty can, if it starts to fall down from here, it can definitely find a support at the 19,000 level. On the other hand, 20,400 and 20,900 for above 21,416 other upper levels for the if starts to move the upward side. So now let's go on a 4 hourly chart and also check what can we expect from 4 hourly chart in Bank Nifty. As you can see, the 4 hourly chart has already given a move upside, and definitely, as I'm saying, the resistance is at this level. If we break up above 420 or 447 Bank Nifty, we can definitely hit to 20,900 levels, and above that we can definitely hit 21,500. On the lower side, break off of 19,900 can hit the levels of 19,530. On the lower hand, the most important and the major support zone is placed at 19,000. So this is the Bank Nifty chart analysis. I would not do an option change of the Bank Nifty, as it is too much volatile and the levels and the change in OI is changing very much frequently. So I would not use the analysis of Bank Nifty option chain. By the time you are watching this video, I would have also already uploaded my charts on my TradingView channel. So that is my TradingView. You can go and follow me in the TradingView by clicking the link here, and you can also join our Telegram group, where I give daily profitable calls in futures, index option and cash segment, that is equity, so that you can get benefit. I try to help people to minimize their losses. So if I can help you, that's my most gracious, and I will try to help as much as I can. So this is the level for the Bank Nifty. You can definitely plot some levels and you can practice them on your own. So, and you can paper trade the next day to improve your accuracy. So I hope you like this video. So please like and subscribe. I will try to make new videos in near future. Thank you.